The other program, Your Excellency, that we are undertaking at the moment, which I've started, is to join the affordable housing program. This program, Your Excellency, you started it yourself, and the athletes continue to join. We already have just over 100 that have already signed in the affordable housing program, and it is going on very well. We want to thank you for this, and of course, following what you have done for this family, we have seen a beautiful house that has just come out the other day and is ready for occupation by the family of Kevin Kiptum. Your Excellency, thank you so much for doing this. The other program, Your Excellency, that we are engaged in is the environmental awareness and sustainability. Athletics Kenya was the first national federation to join this and to join World Athletics in signing the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, otherwise called the Sports for Climate Action, in August 2021. So far, we have been joined by other partners from our partners from United Nations Environment Program and Stockholm Environment Institute, stationed in Kigiri, Nairobi. In the development of this program, we have installed 17 air quality sensors within Africa. 7 of these are in Kenya. And the last one, Your Excellency, that we installed last month was at St. Patrick's Iten School here in Iten. St. Patrick's School is one of the schools that has contributed a lot in the development of sports in Kenya and in the world. And therefore, we wanted to do this so that the students can breathe clean air and learn environmental issues. Next, that we will be going to do is in terms of school program, is Maseno. Because we understand Maseno is one of the oldest schools in this country, and we want to extend that to that particular place. We have also attended and been invited during the COP27 in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt to go and present our report there, and we did it. Last year, we also attended the COP28 Conference of Parties in Dubai, and we have also attended that. This is a new program, and we want to thank World Athletics for allowing us to do that, because we signed it on their behalf. Last week, we discussed with World Health Organization